Hey friends, we're outside on a beautiful day and we're looking for flowers. All sorts of different ones. Now that one that you might have seen earlier, that was an amaryllis. Pretty nice, huh? But there's a lot of other flowers out here with a lot of different parts. So use this video as a great chance to observe some of these flowers, as you may have flowers growing around your house, but maybe not these same flowers. Take very careful note of the parts that you can see. Definitely pause the video if you need to get a good look at the different parts that we've been going over and see what you can see. There's a lot of good stuff out there. Let's go take a look. Take a look. This is the first one that I found today, and it's really tiny and really purple, growing very low to the ground. And actually, if you look across into the neighbor's yard over there, there's quite a few of them. They get pretty high. I just mowed the lawn not too long ago, so they're just coming back. And then, well, we don't just have one little guest over here. There happen to be dandelions all over. Take a good look at those dandelions as well. Get a good close-up on that purple flower. Good close-up on those dandelions. There's ones that's closed already. Look at that. Look at that. All right. I have a whole bunch of flowers blooming right now in front of the house. All sorts of beautiful things like this tulip right here. And really, take a good look inside there. There's some different parts in there to look at. Take a look at that. Look at the bottom, the base of that flower as well. There's one that's going to be opening just a little bit later. Got some snapdragons here too. See if we can look at just one of those flowers, or you can look inside of those too. Look at that. Ooh, look at these little purple flowers as well. And even some yellower tulips in the background there too. Flowers can come in so many shapes and sizes, and they can hide too. Look at these purple snapdragons just hiding under here. Who knows what you may find when you go exploring. We're back inside, and here's that amaryllis again that was talking to us. And take a look at all these different parts that you see here. Definitely check out that parts of the flower lesson and see if you can find every part and identify it. And especially on this amaryllis, look. These three petals seem to be a little bit different. These other three petals that are sort of on the outside, they're connected directly to the stalk, and they have sort of like a little horn or a point on them. A little bit different than these softer, rounder ones. Pretty cool, huh?